Good. Very lightweight, sturdy, easy to carry. The product arrived on time. 5 steps is the perfect model for cleaning ceiling fans and reaching overhead storage cabinets. There were some scuff marks on the fully packed ladder, but it does not affect the usability. Definitely recommended. I like this product very much, really such a best thing for home daily needs, and product is very comfortable to handle. The delivery was late like 8 days, but anyway still also I give it. Lightweight, best choice for housework. Very useful, lightweight but sturdy, handy. It's actually good. Better product than local made ladder. Woo, the model on the product packaging is too good. P, the product quality and finishing is value for money. Overall super like product. Go for it. Super solid, heavy duty. Nice product. Must buy. It's very unique, but quality wise it's not that much good. Nice. Product is good, but the item packaging condition is worst. Delivery in open condition. It was so easy to fold and very good product. Product is good, looking good and solid and beautiful too. But there is a weight limit of 95 kg. It's 6 step. By 4 TT step I was able to reach fan with 5.10-inch height. 1 star reduced because of the heavy irritating noise it is generating while climbing. I was able to hear the noise from ground floor. After using it I felt it's apt for household purpose, good grip, even old age people can also use it. I cleaned my air conditioner, I felt good, very lightweight, good value for money. Nice and recommended, but a little bit costly. If it in between 2600 to 2800, then I had given 5 star. Sturdy, must for home. Folding requires some force. Easy after some practice. Lightweight, easy to carry. Lightweight, sturdy, makes a bit creaky noise while you climb the ladder, which sometimes freaks you out. Handy, lightweight, but need to keep in mind that it's only home use. Sturdiness seems to be good, as I am yet to use. The max weight it can handle is 95 kilograms. Premium build quality. Perfect for up to 100 kg person. A 5 feet person can easily reach to fan on 10 or 11 feet above. Easy movable product weight is about 3 to 4 kgs. Happy customer. Really I liked in this product is quality and easy to carry and easy to use, but little bit disappointed with the length of the ladder. Sup. Really a good product. Very lightweight and also durable. Have been using it from 2 months now. Good packing by the seller. Product is good. Quality is good and weightless. Easy to carry around. Would recommend others. Just bought it, satisfied with the delivery, packing quality and the convenient carrying build and weight. Will edit my review after use. Unboxing experience, had uneven legs and had to return the product. Will update the review after the replacement. Very good quality. One should have this at home. This product is nice, worth to buy it. Amazing product. Very useful, comfortable, good hide. Really very happy. Excellent product with excellent packing, early delivery and good price. Thanks to Amazon. Recently shifted to my new house and proudly I can say that this is the most used item for last few days. Regarding build quality, stability and look, there is no cons. Only cons I observed: 1. While climbing, it makes unpleasant noise, creating a doubt that it may break down, but it is sufficiently strong to hold a person of 90 kgs of weight easily. The manufacturer says in the manual that no oiling, greasing to be done, but how to get rid of unwanted noise, I have no clue. 2. Barring the platform, the steps are somewhat narrow. If you can ignore the above 2 cons, it is the best possible product of this kind in the market. Good, very useful, smart, lightweight, 6 kilograms for domestic use. Packing super, received without any scratch. 5 years warranty is assuring. There is no wobbling even while on topmost platform, 4 feet. 3 inches. From floor level, only problem is the width of each step is only 3.5 in, whereas 5 inches would be ideal for prolonged working. Good for all domestic purposes, and the hinges are better than most of other models and the support on top step is great, refer photo. I am 59 inches and I could easily reach the 10 feet height roof for fan and light fittings. But ensure you have someone to support for tools, fan, light, as you cannot keep it on the ladder if you are already on top step. Nice packing. 5 steps height. Good quality ladder. Click link in description for more reviews.